Everybody, my name is Dia Karen and today I'm going to be explaining about water molecules. So, what is a molecule? A molecule is a group of atoms that combine together to make a structure is called a molecule. Every object around us is made up of molecules, and when the molecule structure changes, the properties of the objects also changes. And this is the model of a water molecule. This is an oxygen atom and these two are the hydrogen atoms. As you can see, the oxygen atom shares one electron with the hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom shares one and only electron of its own and with the oxygen atom. This is called the atomic bonding. The same happens with this hydrogen. The oxygen atom shares one of its electrons with the hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom shares its one and only electron with the oxygen atom. This is called the whole atomic bonding. So this is the structure of a water molecule, and this is a water molecule. And thank you.
Hi, I'm Yalini. Now I'm going to show the water molecule. This green ball is one oxygen atom. This red ball is one hydrogen atom. The two hydrogen atom bond with one oxygen atom. This is the water molecule. In chemical formula of water molecule is H2O. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm going to explain about water molecule. Imagine this is the model of water molecule. This green color is oxygen and 2 orange are hydrogen. 4 brown balls are electrons. Oxygen share 1 electron and hydrogen also share 1 electron. Same thing happened this. It forms whole thing from water molecule. This bonding is called ionic bond. If the structure change, the property also change. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rebecca from grade 5. Now I am going to explain the water molecules. So how to make the water molecules models means?
First we have to take clays. Orange clay, blue clay and green clay, and we have to take a stick, 2 sticks. First we have to make a balls in orange, green. So we have to keep here and fix the stick like this. After that we have to fix the 2 clays in bottom and bottom like this, and a small particles. These are the electrons. So we have to fix here at this middle of the stick.
So what is water molecules means?
A water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. A single oxygen atom contains 6 electrons in outer shell, which can hold a total of 8 electrons. When 2 hydrogen atoms are bound to an oxygen atom, the outer electron shell of oxygen is filled.
So this is water molecules, and this is the model of water molecules. Thank you everyone.
I am Magdalene Valentina. This is water molecule texture. This is oxygen atom. This is 2 hydrogen atom. This share 2 electrons. This share one electron share of water molecule. Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, my name is Karishma. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am gonna make water molecules. This is oxygen atom. These two are hydrogen atom. This little atoms are electronic. In this side, the hydrogen atom share one electronic to the oxygen atom. The oxygen atom share one electronic to the hydrogen atom. Thank you, sir. Structure of molecule. This is oxygen atom. This both hydrogen atom. The small balls are electrons. Hydrogen atom give one electrons for oxygen atom. Oxygen atom share one electrons for hydrogen atom to form molecules.
Good evening, sir. I am Sandra Solomon. I tell about what are the molecules. A molecule is a combination of different atoms combined together in a definite structure. Water molecule, oxygen. This is electron. Hydrogen. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Amina. This is a water molecule. Oxygen have 8 electrons. Hydrogen have 1 electron. Oxygen give 1 electron. Hydrogen give 1 electron. Good evening, sir. I'm Emmanuel. I'm going to explain about water molecules. What is molecule? A molecule is a group of atoms that combines together to make a structure is called a molecule. This is a model of water molecule. This is oxygen atom and these two are hydrogen atom. The oxygen atom shares one electron to hydrogen atom and also hydrogen atom shares one electron to oxygen atom. This is called atomic bonding. This is a structure of water molecule. Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, I'm Gokul. Now I'm going to tell about water molecules. This green ball is oxygen atom. This red ball is nitrogen atom. Now I'm going to join the hydrogen atom with oxygen atom. With the help of clay, we can see the diagram of water molecules. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Chedia. Today I am going to explain about what is water molecule. First we see what is molecule. A molecule is a group of atoms bonded together to form a structure is called molecule. The chemical formula of water molecule is H2O, which means this water molecule has 3 atoms, 2 of hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom to form one water molecule. 2 hydrogen atoms each share their 1 electron with 1 of its oxygen to form water molecule. This is the atomic structure of water molecule. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Hi, sir. I'm Ricky, sir. I'm studying in grade 4, sir. Now I'm going to tell about the structure of molecules. This is the oxygen atom, sir. These 2 balls are electronic, sir. This one is hydrogen atom, sir. Hydrogen atom gives 1 electron for oxygen atom. Oxygen atom gives 1 electronic to hydrogen atom. Thank you, sir.